Hello and welcome back to Snack Play Love, where today we are trying the TopGun DVD because that's the best native resolution for the Freestyle via the Xbox X. The timestamps for the different versions of the trials versus the OLED TV will be in the description. So this is Gun Maverick on DVD. So, looks fine. Good colours on the HDR. I can see more pixels with my eyes than I can on the iPhone screen. And here's the direct comparison between that DVD on the TV and Disney's Blu-ray, well, IMAX presentation, Antman and the Wasp on Freestyle. And this is the same, but the other way around. DVD on the projector, 4K Disney Plus on the TV.
Citation. Only man to shoot down 3 enemy planes in the last 40 years. Distinguished. Distinguished. Distinguished.